We left Mumbai when I was 2. But part of me never made the trip. And then KLM gave me the chance to reconnect with the part I left behind. To me, that was returning to Mumbai. To surprise the one person I miss every day. Papa.
What a surprise! What a surprise!
As wise in the kitchen as he is in life, everything perfected by a pinch of this and a dash of that. Secret ingredients secretly shared. Family recipes that could have been lost now find a home in me. They say that family is a story that never ends. And thanks to KLM, a new chapter has been added to mine.